Hello everybody, Speedrun here. Today you will learn how to add your SkyMap to Ragnarok Online. As you can see, my map right now has no sky. It's simply a dark background. And I want to add the clouds to this map. So first of all, I need to let you know from Reg.exe 2018-19, you have to hex your Reg.exe in order to add the SkyMap. For the newer clients around 2020 and now beyond, you'll be able to actually just change a file, and I'll show you that after this part. So let's go ahead and hex this map. What I have to do is to download this hex file here. So for now, I'll close my server and open this. This Hex 32, it's a program that can read some weird stuff. But what we need to do, I believe, was to drag and drop. So yeah, now I drag and drop my regexe, and is a 2018. As well, I made a backup because if you change something a little bit wrong, it won't work anymore. So I made that backup. Right now, I'm going to search for a list that I saved here, which is SkyMap. And here I have a few options. So these are maps with sky from the official Ragnarok Online. As well have the airplane, which I will demonstrate right now. So I need to do this. First thing, I need to write the name of my map, which is, I need to check once again. So in client folder data, I will go here and check the name of my map. So I simply copy that and paste it here, and now I count how many letters it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are a total of 10 words. And the one above, I believe, the same, so I could choose that. And airplane 01, it's in here as well. So you need to have the map saved with the exact same amount of words as one of these maps right here. Okay, so these two match. Let's find for the airplane map. What I'm going to do now is hit Ctrl F to find, and right here I want to search for airplane. So let's try airplane first, and it found airplane right here. Let's search, and airplane 01, that was not found. So airplane underscore, not found. So when I search it for airplane.rsw, it actually showed me right next to it, airplane underscore 01 rsw. Let me check on my notes. So this is a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And this will not match our Mario map. So let's search for this one right here. And I found right here the map that we need to change. So I'll open this in a second window, and here I'll write A, I. So you see when I'm changing here, he's hexing some numbers here, and I will put, actually it's not airplane, it's Mario, M-A-R-I-O, land. Okay, 1, yes. So Mario Land 1. And now I have hex here. So all I'm gonna do is file and save and close. That's all you need to do. Now I go to my client and run my regex. And now let's check our SkyMap in game. And here we go, guys. We have a SkyMap, and this looks a lot cooler. Really nice. Make everything really magical to be like Mario Land and on the sky. Here have a nice detail. So this I made on the old brow edit, but there's this bird that moves, check around, and I just think it's really cool. So yeah, this was a very long time ago work that I have done, and actually we need to learn how to make this on the newer clients. Some people there are using 2022 regexes, and that's a little bit different to set up. Let's go to the next part right now. Alright guys, I was doing some research and I'll try to add the SkyMap on the client 2022 right now. And let me go through all you need to do. So first, you need to open your GRF and you search for the sky. And here we have mapskydata.lub, okay? But we need to decompile that and transform into Lua file. I have extracted to the same location, and here is data, Lua files 514, Lua files and map sky data. Right here, I need to have the lub and the Lua file, but how did I make the lub into Lua file? Okay, I'll show you now. So the lub file you can see is very gibberish. The document cannot read it properly, and now we need the Lua file, which is this, and they are actually the same document. And here I have found this website, and this website is very easy to use. You drag your lub file here, and he will already decompile for you. Perfect. Next, I want to try to add this. So I'm following a screenshot that I saw on Brow Edit the other day, so I'll just change a few things here. For example, I will duplicate any of these, okay, and space and paste it. Right here, I want to call the map to Mario Land 1. And now we have this option of background color. And I have seen here on Google, if you type color picker, you can see that this is exactly what you see when you're in game. Now, what about we do a test where we actually change the map color to something else? So let's try like a more pink background color. And I'll choose something like this. And it's 204. So let's go ahead and type that, 204. And 102 and 204. 102 and 204. Okay. Now I save. And we have this Mario Land here. Now I'm looking for another place I should. It's missing this. So now I have added, and I really was. So make sure you don't miss to close these keys here. And go. So let me search for this star effect. Star effect. And here is also pointing to a map. So let's just copy any map. Okay. Here I will not play with, but I will just copy and paste here. And I'll call my Mario Land 1. Perfect. Now I save it. Let me check what else we need to change. That one I will change, and it should say false, true. This is star effect, yes, and BG fog. Is there any BG fog? Yes. Set to true. And then there's the cloud effect. The first one will actually be the density. The second one will be the maximum distance. And then the color. I think this is the cloud color, so let's do something about it. Of course, of course. Let's let's check our color picker and find a nice cloud color. Which color will go well with this? And I think something like that as the cloud color. So let's try the 153. 153. And okay. And 212 and 240. 212, 240. Let me save this first. And the size will means, let me see, size. This is the cloud size. And this is the variance of the cloud. And then the grow rate. And then the fading and fade out. And that's pretty much it. So I think this is already set up. Let me see if there's anything else that I'm missing. Um, we already did this here, so I think it's all set up. Now I'm going to add the map into my renewal, which uses the Ragnarok 2022, and we'll test in game to see how that looks. See you in a bit. Hey guys, so actually, um, you can also add the MP3 name table, which is inside your data. So let me open here. And right here, you can declare like what music you want it to play. So all you need to do is to add the map and then the RSW map and then the BGM. So when you enter the game, he will locate this BGM, and the music have to be in a certain beat, the wave file. So you got to try. Um, so what I'm going to do now is like a backup on my zip file. So this will be map sky data backup. Okay. So now I'll just add these two here. So what I need is the lab is the compiled version. So I'll just put 1, and here I will rename to lab. Okay. So now I can drag here and I can replace this file. So now they are both so let me make sure these are correct, and it is. Okay, so now they are both the same but the compiled version, and we try to check our game to see what just happened. And I'm going to my Ragnarok folder and client. Right here I want to make sure the music is not playing before. So I'll mute. Yeah, mute. Okay. And I'm going to run my regex right now. Can close this. All right. Let's finger cross. Okay, so I will add warp and Mario Land 1. And of course, guys, I forgot completely to add on my data folder the server, uh, the map files for Mario Land. And now they are here. So now we just run the server once again and wish to see something cool. So now we are running here and just add my password. And here we go. We have just successfully added a pink sky without needing the sacrifice of a map as the older regexes you needed to just use the hex, and now you don't have to simple lines of code, copy and paste there, and you can get this amazing result. Wow, guys, wow. This looks so cool. You can change the color of clouds, you can change the speed of the clouds and the size as well, the color of the background. This is amazing, amazing. And here we go, guys. We have successfully reached to this level. I would like to ask you to join my Discord group if you haven't already. As well, smash that thumbs up. You know, I am bringing this kind of content that requires a lot of time, and I'm just here transferring all the knowledge I have to you guys. And this was a speed run. Once again, peace. I love you all.